Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this layered middle part. I don't know, I was inspired by something I saw on Instagram. And it's barely noticeable, but it just adds like shape to the middle part. I don't know, the middle part can just look so, you know, long, but this like frames your face a little more, so I like it. How do you feel? I do want to say this video took a lot of turns. So you're going to see me from yesterday installing this wig, and then I'll come in from today's me and I'll finish this up. Yeah, I had a plan for this video. It didn't go to plan. I had to change the plan to something else that I'm going to do at a later date, but I had to figure it out. So this video ended up with like 3 different styles. This is the 3rd one and this is the final one. So I don't know how I'm going to edit this yet to show. I don't know. We'll see. But just know it took a long way to get here. We here now. Keep on watching to see how I got this look.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
I thought I wasn't going to talk for this portion, but I guess I am. So, hello. I'm going to just install this wig really quick. I'm going to be using the Gummy glue from I'ma Slay Your Bae, Arrogante approved. I've been seeing her for a minute, so it's nice to have one of her things. And she's from Ohio, so it's nice to always support somebody from Ohio. I'm gonna do it the lazier way, honestly. I'm gonna put all the glue on and then razor off the excess lace. So this will just be pretty fast, because the point of this video isn't really the install. Y'all gonna see what it's about. I mean, I guess in the intro I probably already say what it was about, but y'all see what it's about. Y'all see. This hair is from Julia Hair. It's a 13x4 transparent lace, 26-inch body wave wig. She feels real good. I don't have nothing in her. It's just the hair. Like, there's really no product in this. It feels so good. And I went ahead and plugged and bleached the frontal already, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that even tinted lace spray to it, and then I'm gonna start installing. I'm gonna install it by just laying it down and raising off the excess lace. Maybe I'll do it in 3 sections. I'll probably do it in 3 big sections. Yeah, this wig fits my head like perfectly. I'm only going to cut off like right here, as you can see. So I think this is good enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it is, first of all. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and cut my hair into 3 sections. So 2 slits. 1 right here and 1 right here. That was really not even. Who cares? And then we'll go ahead and pull it backwards, and then that'll be the easiest way for this to go about. Y'all know how this goes. I'm gonna do 1 layer because I don't plan on wearing this wig for very long. I just want to test it because I'm gonna use this glue again, but I'm not gonna do the install. So I thought it was important for me to use it in this install this time. But I don't want this wig to be on for a long time. So I'm gonna do 1 layer. I have 2 layers already done on my wig cap. So let's get started. Oh, really quickly, I want to make sure I did this at the beginning of the video because a lot of people ask for my lashes. Today's lashes are from Eye Candy Lashes. This is a brand that's located in Columbus, Ohio, so major shout out to them. I'm not exactly sure what style of lash this is because they didn't have names on them, but they sent me these lashes and they look really good. So hopefully I can have a link to them in the description box, or if anything, just the actual brand. So make sure you guys check them out. But we can go back to installing this wig now. Just want to make sure I said that. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next side and we can go ahead and speed this up because y'all know what happens now. So I had really different plans for this video at first, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and save that plan for another time. So if the editing seems a little bit weird before now, it's because I was talking about something else that it has to be put on the low again till I need to do it. So for now, I haven't done a middle part on here in a while, and I feel like I should be allowed to. You know, I'll give y'all styles every week. We can't just do a middle part. We can't just chill. Why every time I come around here y'all want a style? Why can't I just come on here and do a middle part? So I think I'm just gonna do a middle part. I'm probably gonna start talking a little bit more because I have to make up for all that I said that I really can't put in this video anymore. So I guess be on the lookout for what I'm talking about, even though y'all will not know. I've had this elastic band on for over 30 minutes. Cause that's what I was doing, trying to figure out how I was gonna do the thing that I was gonna do. But we just gonna do it another time. I love when I got a line of demarcation on my forehead. This lace is really melted though. Y'all really can't even tell because, I mean I can't tell because I got this line right in front of it. But yeah, this looks good. I can't really describe how I've been doing my baby hair lately. It really changed all the time. But I'm going to use my wet line and the edge brush and just do what I think I'm gonna do. You know, nothing too crazy. I like to do the ends of my baby hair first and then swoop those into where they're supposed to go and then do the rest of it. So yeah, it's that easy. That's it. This glue is different. There's like no lifting. Like when I just did this baby hair, sometimes when I'm doing my baby hair, the comb can like lift up the lace right here. But this lace right here is invisible. I know y'all can't see it. I know y'all can't. You'd be lying if you said you can. My hair ain't been done all motherfucking week. So even though my hair ain't like nothing special like I planned it to be, because we gotta put up those plans, this is nice to just have done. Somebody commented one time, like, do y'all notice she makes her baby hair bigger now? And honestly, I couldn't even tell you how to do my old baby hair. I would honestly have to go look at my old tutorial because I really I don't know anymore. I feel like I just don't do that no more. So it's so foreign to me. But I really do like my baby hair like this. Like I just feel like it's how my baby hair looks in real life. At this point, I hope you realize that this video has gone a lot of different directions. Or maybe I just edited this so flawlessly that you just don't know the amount of turns that this hair has taken. But that's fine if you didn't notice. That's all, you know, I'm here to do. So, I have a style in mind today. I couldn't do what I had planned to do before because I had to save it for something else. So yeah, it's really okay. It's gonna be the thing that I planned for now. It's gonna be really nice and I'm gonna look so good. So I have a new style planned and I'm not stressed out anymore. I have plenty of time to take pictures. So I feel like whenever I have to come back the second time to just redo a video or like add on to it or something, I always feel like it turns out way better the second time than it does the first time, only because like I had the practice or whatever. So I had my hair like this while I was fixing my makeup, but my hair is not done. Like I didn't sleep with no scarf on last night, and y'all love this glue. It's been a day, and I was gonna tell y'all that I love this glue, and I'm officially a stand for the glue. I don't know why I'm really fucking with it so heavy. I don't want to compare it to Erica J because I think they're both their own like thing. Yeah, I'll have to see if this is waterproof. This is waterproof like Erica J's was, and how remember in that video I like wet it and then I put a scarf on. When I came back, it was just no lace. Like if it's like that level, then I don't know. They might have some competition. But I hate putting black women against each other, so you know, try Erica J glue and also try Amaslaya Bay's glue because period. But anyway, it's time for me to fix up everything. I didn't really like care too much about my edge right here with this lace, so I'm gonna try to fix that with some Gotta Be spray while I'm flat ironing my hair. But I'm gonna redo my edges really quick. You guys don't have to see me do this, but just know that I'm gonna do that, and you already saw me do them the first time. So yeah, I'm about to do my edges, and they're done. So you probably like, what did you really do? But I just touched them up real quick. My other baby hair was fine. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how I take care of my wigs on like their second and third days and stuff. like how I maintain them every day, I guess. And y'all, if y'all didn't know, you can use spritz to do your, like, to replace Gotta Be if you really. I feel like I look good on this camera. Anyway, you can use this. I use this for my my ball cap, and it worked perfectly fine. I couldn't find this anywhere, so I had to use that, but it worked so fine. So something for your noggin. Yeah, my lace looks really good everywhere except for like my sideburns. So that's where my focus is at. Yeah, that's all I needed to do. So I'm gonna just let this soak underneath, or not soak, but like set was the better word. I'm gonna let this set underneath the scarf for a little second. At least one flat under my hair, and that'll like set my baby hair as well. Walk around like niggas like yeah. When I get cute, I gotta listen to that. Y'all gotta hear me. I have a plan to cut some more layers in my hair and give it some bumps. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start flat ironing. I need to grab my Ion Silk really quick, so I'll be back. Alright, I got my Ion Silk. I use this all the time. Like, this hair already feels so soft. There's literally nothing in it, but I just know this is gonna give it that extra give. You feel me? Now that I'm all brushed out, I'm going to start to zoom you guys out so I can go ahead and start flat ironing. My backdrop is like so crinkled. Please ignore that. I know I've done brought it up. Y'all was probably going to ignore it had I not said nothing, but I said something, so don't tell me about it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so we can start flat ironing this hair. Okay, so my hair is all flat ironed, and this hair is nice. Sometimes I don't say how nice the hair is, and don't be like because it's not bad, but it just don't make me want to tell y'all it's good. Like, some hair be like hair, you know, and it's just that's not a bad thing. But yeah, I feel like I gotta say something about this. Yeah, this is different. Woo! Okay, I'm really feeling it, but I'm gonna fix my part a little bit. I know it's not the like straightest, easy edges etching so stick. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get these flyaways down. And everybody asks me where I get my hot comb from. I just get it from the hair store. This one was $13. I want to get a really expensive one because, yeah, I don't know. I feel like I deserve it. I want the one from Kendra's Boutique. My birthday coming up, y'all. I want a hot comb from Kendra's Boutique. If anybody want to put that together for me, my P.O. box is in my description. Y'all see I burnt the hell out of my forehead? Because I did. I'm going to spray some spritz on the back, not on the back, on the brush side of my... Yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just brush this into place because I don't want to burn myself again. Like, I already burned myself once. That was enough for me. And I put like barely any concealer on it, but I think I'm gonna put some concealer on it now because I just think that will really like set it off. Yeah, there's nothing like when you can like set off your hair even more. Like, it already looks good, but then you like add that extra touch on it. So I'm gonna add some concealer to just burn first of all because it's kind of fucking with me, and a little bit along the limbs. Yeah, see, something about that just really do it. I'm gonna add some more layers to this hair. I feel like I added some in a prior clip that I don't know how it's being edited, but I'm going to add some more because I don't think I really tried that hard. Yeah, that's cute. That's what I'm going for. Just like a nice little layer about right here, and then the rest is like full length. That makes sense. Oh, actually, hey! I'm gonna go ahead and add these bumps to the hair that I want to add. Nothing too crazy. I just want this to like feather, I guess. Getting too scissor happy, but I don't want it to stop. It's like I'm not content. But yeah, I feel like I'm getting a little scissor happy. Okay, so now it's time to fix up everything else. I think I'm content enough with this. I don't want to keep cutting because then I'm going to cut too much and it's going to be a whole thing. I don't even got to be like that. So I'm going to just go ahead and start hot combing everything flat again. I'm that one nigga. I'm that one nigga like, yeah. Walk around like fuck niggas. Walk around like fuck niggas like, yeah. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like these layers. I'm probably going to end up doing them like a lot more often now. I want to do a layered like curled look too, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is nice. Y'all never heard me talk about some hair this nice in like a long time. I know hair be nice. Maybe I just need to start talking about it more. I need to start hyping her up, cause yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I guess my video got cut off, so bye beautiful.